Ready to experience Tokyo? According to Taiwan tourism guru, there are about 1.3 million Taiwanese go to Japan every year, and this number is 87 times of the students in NCCU. If this shopping comparison attracts you to travel to Tokyo now, there are several ways to go traveling to Tokyo. You can join the tourism group, or you can plan your own trip independently. Traveling to Tokyo independently can help you save a lot of time because you can schedule your own time, and you can also experience the Japanese lifestyle more deeply. We have always been interested in this topic, and we have checked out more than 100 of websites, and therefore we are very familiar in this area. For our topic today, traveling to Tokyo by yourself, we are going to cover 3 main points: the preparation, size, and food. If you decided to go to Tokyo by yourself, there's a lot of things you need to do before starting a wonderful trip. First, you need to book a plane ticket. There's a basic concept of booking a plane ticket. That is, more restrictions, cheaper the ticket. For example, a ticket that lasts 3 weeks would be cheaper than a ticket that lasts 3 months. Therefore, if you want to book a ticket with cheaper price, it is really important that you make sure that you can cooperate with the restriction. However, if you are the kind of person that is uncertain about when your vacation will come, there's still another choice for you. That is, you can book the ticket through the airline company. The advantage of this choice is that the time is very flexible. You can control your time, and you can choose your flight. And you can also avoid the risk that if you book the ticket through the travel agency, the agency might not get enough people and cause you the risk that you cannot change the date of your ticket. And after a busy day, you definitely need a comfortable place to recharge your energy and get ready for the next day. And according to your survey, you are more interested in the B&B. There are a lot of B&B in Tokyo, and it takes just a few simple steps to book a room. First, you need to enter the website and send them the email to ask whether there's a room available. Next, after receiving the reply, you need to send them the reservation and ask them to send you back the confirmation. Then, after receiving the confirmation, all you have to do is just print it out and bring it with you to the trip. One last thing you need to do is make sure you tell them the time you arrive, and 1 week before your departure. And there's another thing to mention that is very important, that if you want to change the date, it is really important that you change as early as possible. The earlier you change, and generally you need to change the date 7 days earlier before the date you originally booked. And the earlier you change, the more chance you'll get a room. And the last part of preparation you should do before going to a trip is about weather and clothing. And because weather forecasts in Japan are quite accurate because they divide one area into many smaller areas. So you can check the weather report about 1 or 2 days before your trip. And I think 2 seasons need more attention if you are going to Japan. And first is winter, and you should dress in a way that you can take off and put on your clothes easily.
And because most buildings in Tokyo have heating systems, so the temperature differences are quite large. And you can wear warm coats and gloves and hats to help stay warm when you are outside a building. But remember not to wear too warm clothes inside your coat, or you will feel very hot when you're in a building. And next is summer. And